Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G200 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Here we have to find special number, which is called build number, and as you can see it is at the very bottom of the list. And right now all we have to do is to simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see in my case there's no need. If you have the screen lock, so the pattern pin or password, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So after activating it, we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. Now let's tap on advanced, and as you can see right here we've got the developer options, so let's tap. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show view updates, we can show surface updates, show visual feedback for taps. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth, actually the networking, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options. And in order to turn on the option, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on the switcher on this blue background, and as you can see most of the options are inactive, and after getting back you can see that they simply disappeared from the system. But of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to turn on the developer mode in your Motorola Moto G200. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.